In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in OneDrive safely and effectively. To get started, open OneDrive in your web browser and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your files. If not, enter your login details and continue. This ensures you're accessing your own storage and the right file library. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on My Files. This is where your personal folders and documents live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct folder so you share the exact file you intend to. Find the file you want to share, then right-click it. A menu will appear. Select Share. This opens OneDrive's sharing panel where you can control how others access your file. Next, click Sharing Settings. This is the most important part because it defines what people can do with your link. Here you'll see options that let you set permissions. Choose whether you want to allow editing or keep it view only. If you allow edit, recipients can change the document, which is useful for collaboration. If you select view only, they can read or download it, but can't modify the original, which is safer for finalized materials. You can also add an expiration date or a password. An expiration date is useful for temporary sharing. After that date, the link will automatically stop working. A password adds an extra layer of security, so only people who know the password can open the file, even if they have the link. Depending on your organization's policies, some options may vary, but the idea is the same. You're deciding how long and how securely the file is shared. After you've made your choices, click Apply. This saves your settings and returns you to the sharing panel with your selected controls in place. From here, you have two ways to share. You can copy the link and paste it anywhere you communicate, like a message or a document, so recipients can access the file directly. Or you can send it by email right from OneDrive by entering the recipient's email addresses and adding a short message if you'd like. Either way, the file is shared using the settings you just configured. That's it. You opened OneDrive, logged in, went to My Files, right-clicked your file, clicked Share, adjusted the sharing settings, chose the right permissions, optionally added an expiration date or a password, applied your choices, and then shared the link or sent it by email. Follow these steps each time to share confidently and securely.